Hi, I'm Traci and I want you to move your body for 13 minutes and 40 seconds to a full body fusion, strength, cardio, and core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving in this way allows for a shorter yet effective workout. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't watched my first 2 intro trailer videos, I highly recommend that you watch those to get the most benefit out of these workouts, what they're all about, and what these functional compound movements are all about. I have made these workouts full body fusion, moving your upper and your lower body together with functional compound movements. But I've made them for you to customize however you want to. If you want to take the upper body portion out and just do your lower body, work your legs and glutes, you will get a good workout still. And you can intensify that as much as you want to based on the resistance that you use, weights, whatever I'm using in the workout. It's up to you. Or vice versa, move the upper body. You don't have to make it full body. It's all yours to customize. There are so many options. If you want to modify any of the movements, modify. If you want to rest longer, pause the video and rest longer, or just do an active rest. Don't rest, just keep moving. So many options, and what matters is that you showed up to move your body. That's what matters. So challenge yourself, but keep the proper form. That's most important. And if you haven't watched my video on the basics of proper form, please be sure to watch that and get that down, especially if you're a beginner. And within that video, I also talk about the importance of a warm-up and a cool down, which I don't include in most of my workouts. So all these videos I've mentioned are linked down below. So this is a full body fusion strength training workout using free weights. And for you beginners out there not using anything, just getting the form down and doing the movements, you're still getting a workout without the weights, for sure. So we're moving 13 minutes and 40 seconds, 8 moves divided into 3 groups. First group, 3 moves times 2. Second group, 3 moves times 2. Third group, 2 moves times 1. You'll be on for 40 seconds, off for 20. During the rest time, I'll explain the next move. I'm only using 3 pounds. Feel free to use only 3 pounds, but these will get to you. But for a beginner, I recommend nothing or just these. So this is so I can instruct and point and do stuff. 3 pounds for me. You challenge yourself and use what works for you. Okay, first move is going to be an alternating stationary lunge, back and forth. We're going to come here, we're going to add a lat row in. Lat row, lat row. Keep that upper arm against your torso and bring those shoulder blades together. Knees are lined up. And you're breathing. Knees are always lined up. Remember, watch that proper form video if you haven't. Abs are tight, chest is up. That's our first move. I am going to start the clock right now. 40 seconds on. Do your best. Plie squat. Lunge it over. Lunge it over. Lunge it over. Lunge it over. Tighten those glutes when you come up. Any lunge or squat, when you come up, you want to squeeze those glute muscles. If you have that hip band on, that's awesome. Good for you. Mine's laying right there. On the break, I will explain the next move. And hopefully I can explain it fast enough. Otherwise, I'll just start moving. Bring it up against your upper body. Next move, stationary sumo. Keep it right here like this. You're gonna go down, rear delt, pulls, upper back, tighten when you come up, down, up, down, knees lined up, elbows up, tightening those shoulder blades. Ready, go, down, up, keep that chest up, squeeze, squeeze, down, up, squeeze, getting those rear shoulder muscles, upper back, especially the more you can squeeze those shoulder blades together. Keep those top of the shoulders out of your ears, always. They want to tense up and go up toward your ears sometimes. Don't let that happen. Up, squeeze the glutes. Oh yeah, you're gonna work out with 3 pounds. Okay, alternate reverse lunge and single. Oh, here we go. You're going to want to go with a heavier weight. I'm going to double up my 5s. You're going to just like this, chest, shoulder, between chest press and shoulder. So you're out in the front, not here. Get into your chest and shoulders. Line the knee up and lunge it back. Push it to the front. Just one way, or double up weights. This is a movement you want to go just, if you're using weights, go heavier on. Again, even if you're not, you're still moving and getting the workouts. I already can feel my heart rate up and I'm getting winded. That's why I had to stop using weights trying to make these videos. Sound like I was dying trying to talk and work out at the same time. It's hard. Okay, we are going to repeat those. Are you ready? Alternating lunges with the lat pull. You need to take a longer break, pause the video, get some water. Over, lat pull. Keep that upper arm against the torso. Squeeze those shoulder blades in the back. Knees are always lined up with your feet, even with your ankle lined up with your feet. Hinge at the hips, chest is up, abs are tucked back towards your spine. And the breathing, that's really important to do. Good for you guys out there using the hip band. Okay. Good for all of you. Whoever's moving, good for you. That's all that matters. Show up. You do what you feel the day you're working out. You don't want to carry the weights, don't do it. Do what you feel like. Just move. Okay, stationary sumo. Upper back row. Squeeze. Upper, squeeze. 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 When you squeeze, don't lock those knees out. You're locking your glutes out. Lock those out. It's real easy to want to lock the knees out, but you're actually supposed to just be locking right here. See how much easier it is to plank with just 3 pounds. It's really hard with heavy weights. Squeeze. Squeeze those shoulder blades. Up. Squeeze. Up. Okay. It's that alternating reverse lunge with that in between chest press, shoulder press, right to the front. Knees lined up over your ankles. They don't cross your toes ever, ever, ever. Chest is up. Just like that. A lot of balance work involved here. Woo! Unilateral sides, so good. So good for core stability. When you're moving your upper and lower body together, your core is working the whole time. New move coming up, new group. Okay, alternating side squats with hip abduction with a single bicep curl like this. Just stay down, or I mean come up actually, up like this. Squeeze. Now, when you do a bicep curl, your elbow stays put. You're just moving your forearm. Keep your elbow in the same place it starts. Knees lined up with your feet. Chest is up. See my upper arm? It's staying put. Because if I move it, my shoulder's helping out, and then my bicep is not getting the work that it should be getting. That it should be getting. Woo! It's hard to talk and do this. Next move, squat with alternating. Okay. Oh, it's gonna look like this. Down. Wait, I did that wrong. Down. up and back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back. You want lighter weights for these. Squat into a hip abduction extension. It's right in the middle. So you're not abducting, you're not extending, you're going right in the middle, like that. Triceps, down. Shoulders, triceps, and upper back down. Lots of brain power needed here. Coordination, it's good. Gotta keep that brain active. When you come back, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Okay. Fast squat tap outs. These are called horizontal tricep extensions. You're not moving your upper arm. You're just moving through your shoulder, oh my gosh, your elbow joint, your forearm. And you're just going, tap it out, like this, sorry, ran out of time there. Tap it out, stay down in that squat. This is for your shoulders and your triceps. If this bothers your shoulders at all, just go back down into this right here. But stay down in that squat if you can. Stay down. Actually, I think I like this better. But if you want some shoulder work too, bring them up. Stay in that squat. If you have a hip band on, you feel it. Okay, we repeat those. Alternating squat and hip abduction. Okay. With the single arm biceps, elbow stays put. Ready? You're gonna step it out. Up, like that. Knees stay lined up, keep your chest up. Just step it out. I'm sweating and I'm out of breath a little, so this is cardio, and I'm only using 3-pound weights. You're working out no matter how you're doing this. If you took your upper body out of this, I promise you're still gonna work out too. Especially if you intensify it with heavier weights. You're holding heavier weights to keep it more cardio since you took the upper body movements out. So many options. These are your workouts to customize for sure. Squat with alternating angle. Leg raises, okay. So you're down, down, down. The hips, shoulders, triceps. Down. I seem to be moving. Back. Get into that upper back. When you come back, squeeze those shoulder blades together. The more you can work on just constantly squeezing your shoulder blades together, even when you're not working out, you are strengthening your upper back. So you can stay up straight in life. Really important, constantly. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Get that chest up. Abs tight. It's hard to remember, but whoops. Okay. Fast squat. Tap outs with horizontal triceps again. To get the shoulders in. We'll bring it down here. Whatever works for you. Okay? You're staying down. I'm gonna do tricep kickbacks this time. Keep it. Forgot that first time. Elbows stay put. You're just moving through your elbow joint, your forearm. No upper arm. Nope. Squeeze those triceps when you come back. Keep down. Keep that leg or that knee lined up. Knee lined up with your foot. Your knees never, ever, ever cross your toes. No. Keep your shoulders down, out of your ears. Shoulder blades are still back. Together in the back, always. Always. No rounding of that back. We are almost done. Next move. Oh, third group. This is it. On the ground, seated tricep dip. With leg, what? Dip leg raises. Oh, like this. tricep. So up, up, up. So I'm still getting triceps. Sorry about that. Do your best. If you need to have one foot down, just do it like that. If it's bothering your lower back, just do it like this. Make it work for you. This is your workout, not mine, yours. I am sweating. I got a workout in. So I'm telling you, these weights get real heavy, whether you use light ones or not. So if you don't feel like using weights, just do the body movements. They're awesome. So good for the core. Okay, bicycle boat row. And you know what? If you want to hold your weights, that's great too. Your bicycle, but you're doing a boat row at the same time. This is the last move. If this is hard on your back, just tap your heels down like that. This is it. I am sweating. This is the end of the workout, but I am going to include a quick cool down for you since this is my first workout video, and I will, from time to time, for sure, include warm-ups and cool downs. But don't forget, I have warm-up and cool down videos, and it's hard to talk and do this. Whoa, okay, that's it, you did it. It does not have to be a lot, and it doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is that we're moving. Move your body before your body can't move. Whoa, I'm winded. Okay, so if you like that workout, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe if you haven't. It's really important to hit that notification bell. It's truly how you'll know every time I upload a new workout. I have so many that I will be uploading regularly. We're working on this hard. I have lots for you, so share my channel, my workouts with friends, family, everyone on or off of social media. Let's get everybody moving. Thank you for coming to this workout. I look forward to having you in all my Move Your Body workouts. Also, if you haven't downloaded my workout log, download that, print it up. It's really effective, especially for beginners. You can log all your work you do and your progressions and how you felt, how you modified, just notes, and put it out for your next workout with your workout clothes. Super effective. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day or night. I'll see you, or I'll not see you, but I'll look forward to you joining me in my next Move Your Body workout.